Art restoration captivates with stunning visual transformations, yet some transformations spark intense, global public debate. Our intriguing story begins in Borja, Spain, during 2012. An aging fresco desperately needed careful professional attention. Ecce Homo depicted Jesus, wearing a crown of thorns clearly. Artist Elías García Martínez painted it around the year 1930. This humble artwork adorned a local church wall for decades. It was a cherished, local religious treasure for many people. Cecilia Giménez, 81, a parishioner, volunteered her time. She aimed to restore the deteriorating masterpiece by herself. Her intentions were undoubtedly pure and deeply heartfelt at first. Sadly, her artistic skills remained largely untrained and amateur. She began work, applying crude paint layers directly onto it. The drastic transformation started, slowly, dramatically unfolding. Initial efforts significantly modified Jesus's original facial features. The original delicate brushstrokes quickly vanished forever from sight. Her work soon became drastically unrecognizable to art lovers. Local media first reported the dramatic, strange new change. Photographs of the fresco went instantly, globally viral online. The internet exploded with disbelief and much widespread humor. Social media quickly dubbed it Ex Mono or Monkey Christ. Memes spread worldwide, creating instant, enduring notoriety for Borja. Art critics universally gasped at the amateur's drastic intervention. Calls for professional, urgent restoration quickly grew louder. Borja became an overnight, unexpected global tourist sensation. People flocked there to witness the restored fresco firsthand. The town initially considered immediate legal action for damages, but Giménez's unexpected fame soon changed local perspectives greatly. Borja quickly embraced its quirky, new claim to worldwide fame. Souvenirs featuring Monkey Christ became very popular globally. Giménez even received royalties from the merchandise sales revenue. The fresco now attracts over 200,000 curious visitors yearly. Smallest towns, incident struggling economy. Smallest towns, incident struggling economy sparked serious art world discussions widely today. Who truly owns public art and its preservation responsibility? What truly defines proper, ethical art restoration work today? Should amateur restorers ever intervene with precious public art? The Ecce Homo saga highlights complex, vital preservation issues. It questions authenticity versus public, viral digital engagement. This event became a global cultural, viral phenomenon indeed. It proves art's power to provoke, unite, and also divide opinions. This unique transformation sparked vital global conversations about art. It emphasizes preserving our shared cultural heritage for future. Mistakes can sometimes lead to unexpected, positive public outcomes. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations and visual journeys.